أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILA 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks PMS 20 weeks Judiciary 20 weeks M English 20 weeks IELTS 10 weeks Creative Writing 10 weeks Life Skills A1 4 weeks English MDCAT 20 days Interview 20 days Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours OA levels 16 weeks, skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days, translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks. English conversation part 11. Before I recited those two supplications, what were you doing? Please.
I was using mobile phone.
Excellent. Before I recited Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah, you were using the mobile phone. Please.
I was talking to Mr. Wafa.
Wafa.
He was talking with Mr. Madani about WhatsApp status.
You were talking with Mr. Madani about the WhatsApp status, that it can be downloaded, no?
Yes.
I was thinking about the format number 9.
About
The
format
format-
number 9. We have done that. We have done. We have done. This is our today's lesson. I was trying to find some base. For what? For the today's lesson. And what happened? I have found it. This is our today's lesson. Who? I. And this is have. And then there is be, 3. And after that there are phrases. Sounds clear?
Yes.
I was trying to find some base for the today's lesson, and Alhamdulillah, I have found it. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Everybody plans something. Right or wrong? We plan and then we execute them.
Execute.
We translate those plannings into reality.
Clear.
Clear? What was my planning today? My planning was to teach you format number 10. What is the status of that planning now? Excellent. My planning was to teach you format number 10. Now, what is the status of that planning? That I have started what? Format number 10. I can say that I decided to uncap the marker. What's the status? I have uncapped it now. I decided to write what? Who? Where? On the writing board. What's the status of that planning? I have written. What? The word who? Where? When? At 2:54. This is wrong. Now you would say, format number 3, you wrote, because it has no sense over here. No. Ready?
Yes, sir.
To some extent, this concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Miss Amina Bibi decided to tell us about her fiance. What's the status? Excellent. Now she has told about her fiance. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
This is who A and this is who B. I'm sure you know that.
Yes.
I have, we have, then you have, then they have, then P and no. The teachers have, the students have. Then who be? He has, she has, it has, everybody has, someone has. I decided to write now that this A and B. I have written. I decided to explain format number 10 in as simple words as possible. I have explained. You came here today to understand format number 10. You have understood. Sounds clear? Ready? Now it's your turn. In the morning you got up and you took different decisions. You took decisions or not?
Yes.
talk about those decisions which you took this morning
Yeah.
first. And the second part of the sentence should be the status of that decisions. What happened with that? Mrs. Salahuddin says that she decided to meet her uncle and she has met him.
I decided to read newspaper and I have read it.
Excellent, but this morning you decided to read the newspaper. Which newspaper?
Dawn.
Dawn. And you have read it. What does she say? Miss Fatima says that she decided to read the newspaper and she has read it. She decided to read the newspaper and she has read it. She decided to update her knowledge and she has updated it. She decided to visit the court and she has visited it. She decided to learn something new about her profession and she has learned something new.
I decided to watch a drama and I have watched it.
Excellent. You decided to watch a drama and you have watched it. What was the name of the drama? Pyar Ki Sadke. Excellent. Ji.
तो निकाह भी हो चुका होगा, ना जाने किस खुशकिस्मत इंसान के नसीब में हो।
अरे अपना दूल्हा भी काबू में न रख सकी पावली, थाली में पेश करके दे दिया, अब बिठा के रखे सारी उम्र कुंवारा।
क्या क्या बेवकूफ, फर्क नहीं पता आपको मासूम होने में और बेवकूफ होने में?
ऐसी बात है तो तुम खुद क्यों नहीं कर लेते शादी?
She says that she decided to watch the drama named Pyar Ke Sadke and she has watched it.
Excellent. She has enjoyed it. She has learnt a lot from it. She has got no education from it. She has got entertainment from it. No. She has entertained her. She has educated her.
I decided to text my maternal female cousin and I have texted her.
Excellent.
She says that she decided to text her
Cousin, okay.
and she has texted
Texted.
her.
Excellent. She decided to send a message and she has sent the message to her. She decided to share something with her cousin and she has shared that thing with her. She decided to communicate some message to the girl and she has conveyed that message to her. Thank you. Well done, ma'am. I decided to give you some ideas about revision, about practice, and I have given two of them. I have given two of them so far because I am going to give more. Amina Bibi decided to conceal the name of her fiancé and she has achieved it successfully so far. I decided to install that tube light over here, but I haven't installed it yet.
I plan to learn new idioms from newspaper.
Excellent.
And I have learned some of them.
Excellent. Idioms. What's the word?
Idioms.
Idioms. You decided to learn some idioms from the English newspaper and you have learned some of them. Ji.
I decided to meet my friend named Fava, but I haven't met her yet.
I plan to attend my class, clear, and I have attended it for 40 minutes. How can we say that? Because I started it at 2:42 and it's now 3. Once clear? So it makes 40 minutes. Very good, beta. Please. The patient decided to visit the hospital and he has visited it. The passenger decided to buy ticket and he has bought it. Your father decided to get retirement and he has got it. Someone decided to propose to Amina and he has proposed to her. The second way that how to practice that is, ready? What I am doing now? I am uncapping the marker. No.
And you have
I have uncapped it. I was giving example and I have given it. You were trying to understand the example and you have understood. The point is clear. There are different ways are there. No, with the help of them we can understand this format number 10. Someone was getting ready for the departure. No. Did you hear the noise of the bike?
Yes, sir.
No. No, that person has left. Sorry. Miss Rafi decided to say sorry to Miss Fatima. He has said sorry. And Miss Fatima decided to respond to Miss Rafi's apology. And she has now responded to that. The point's clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Now let's move to the second part. Miss Amina Bibi is thinking about the name of her fiancé, the name which she wants to share with us, but she hasn't shared the name with us yet, but we expect that she will share. Mr. Shafqat is moving his leg. He's moving. I asked him to stop, but he hasn't stopped it yet. Mr. Hassan Raza promised to return to Pakistan to meet his loving wife, but
He hasn't.
Rona nahi. But he hasn't returned yet. Mr. Shah decided not to appear in the IELTS, but he hasn't appeared yet.
I decided to upload my WhatsApp status, but I haven't uploaded it yet.
Love you, my daughter.
Ms. Wafaz informs us that she decided to upload her WhatsApp status, but she hasn't uploaded it yet.
Excellent. WhatsApp.
He says that he wanted to become a journalist, but he hasn't translated this into reality yet.
Excellent bit.
She says that she decided to plant a tree, but she hasn't planted it yet.
I plan to wash my bike, but I haven't washed it yet.
Excellent. Means you will wash it later on. Means you will plant later on. Clear? Mean you will support your father financially later on.
He says that he wanted to wash his bike, but he hasn't washed it yet.
Ji.
He says that he decided to purchase some books, but he hasn't purchased them yet.
Okay, what does it mean? That he will purchase later on. Clear? Sure? Yes. Clear? Yes. Thank you, beta. But we have spent approximately that 1 hour over here. What have you done in this class so far? The question is clear?
I have learned about format number 10.
I have learned the new English conversation skill.
I have understood this session.
Love you, my son. You have understood this concept with clarity.
I have eliminated my hesitation.
I have cleared my confusion.
I have gained knowledge.
I have boosted up my confidence.
Points clear? Know how to practice now. I am taking tea as the tea is over. I have taken tea. I am watching movies as the movie is over. I have watched movie. I am making a call as the call is over. I have made a call. No, I am waiting for my husband. I have waited for him too much, but he hasn't arrived. He hasn't arrived at home yet. I have been requesting my Bitiya Amna Bibi to tell me the name of her fiancé, but she hasn't told it yet. He was scratching his neck. See, no, he has scratched it. Clear?
Yes.
I was planning to finish the class by 3:45 p.m. but I haven't finished it yet. But don't worry, I am going to finish it now.